We are out of ingredients for the curry. I might have to go to the store. Shin, it will be your responsibility to watch Hima while I am gone.
Really? I wanted to watch action, bastard!
Please don't do anything gross or dumb while I am gone.
Okay, Mom. Hima, shut the fuck up and stop crying right now! This is a job for Super Refrigerator. Finally, that annoying Mongolian adopted sister is gone. Time to party. That was barring. Now let's alter the ingredients of the curry for an early April Fool's joke. There! I made the grossest curry in all Japan history.
I'm home. Shin, where is Hima, the refrigerator, and what happened to the curry?
Mom, I threw a refrigerator at Hima and put a bunch of foods in the curry.
Shin, I am mad you ruined the hard work on my curry and slammed the refrigerator at Hima. The refrigerator ended up crashing into a wall and crushing Hima. She went to the hospital. You were grounded for 2 months. No action, bastard, Caribbean friends, and no Naruto. Go to your room now.